Imagine you could take raw data and turn it into powerful insights, build dynamic reports in minutes, and automate tasks that used to take hours. That's the power of Excel. And it all starts with understanding the basics. Are you ready to stop feeling overwhelmed by spreadsheets and start mastering them? In this video, we will strip away the complexity and give you a clear, simple tool of the Excel interface so you can start entering data and building your skills right away. Let's get started. First, look at the ribbon. This is the ribbon. This is where you will find most of Excel's commands. It is organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Help, Acrobat, or Pivot. Each tab contains groups of related commands. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these tabs. We will be using them throughout the tutorial. Up here we have the quick access toolbar. It gives you fast access to frequently used commands like save, undo, redo, etc. As you can see, you can customize the toolbar from this menu to include your favorite commands. Below the ribbon, we have the formula bar. This is the formula bar. This is where you can view and edit the contents of a cell. Select any cell and you can view and edit it here. You can edit the contents of these cells including formulas. We will get into formulas later. This large grid is the worksheet area. It's made up of cells, which are the intersection of rows and columns. Columns are labeled with letters like A, B, C, D, and rows are labeled with numbers like 1, 2, 3. Each cell has a unique address. For example, if I select this cell, the address is I16. That means the column of I and the rows of 16 has made this cell. At the bottom, we have the status bar. It provides information about the current selection and other details. For example, I'm writing 1, 2, 3, and when I'm summing it up, you can see in the status button that the average is 12, the count is 2 data is there, and the sum is 24. So that is what the status bar shows us. For example, if you select a group of numbers, it might show you the average or sum. Down here are the sheet tabs. You can have multiple worksheets within a single Excel file called a workbook. You can add, delete, rename these sheets. These are one of the two ways to do it. To enter data, simply click on a cell and start typing. You can enter text, numbers, dates, and times. Let's type some text. Hello. Well, this is basic Excel. Now let's enter some numbers. You can use the number keypads on your keyboard or the numeric keypad. Use the number lock icon. Excel is smart with dates and times. You can enter dates in various formats and Excel will usually recognize them. For example, let us write 1/1/25. Hit enter. And now, when you click on the cell, you can see that you did write 25. The Excel took it for year 2025. Same goes for the time. For example, 10 is to 30 a.m. It doesn't do a damn thing. But when you write 10:30, it automatically takes up the AM and the seconds part. To edit a cell, you can either double click on it. You can see now the full fledged form of this time. Or you can just click once and edit in the formula bar. Let's edit the AM to PM, just A to P and hit enter. We have now 2230 minutes here. So you can also use the delete key to clear the cell's content. You can just select the whole sheet and press delete. When you are in a cell, use your arrow keys to move between cells. See? Now, if we press enter, we move down a cell. Another time, yeah. Press the tab to move to the right. See? Press the tab to move to the right. Now, when I have some data in some cells, I want to complete these cells below. I can simply drag the bottom of the cell and bring it to wherever I want. It will fill the data. It will copy the data. And also there are options. If I want to fill it as a series, you can click fill series. It will change automatically. If I want the format only, it will fill the format only. The cells had blank format, so all the rest of the cells is now in blank format. And fill without formatting, it will not copy the format, it will copy the content only. So far, if you are finding this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We have got a whole series planned to take you from Excel beginner to Excel expert, and you won't want to miss a thing. Finally, to save your work, you can either click here, save, or you can go to the file and click open and then browse to the location you desire, put a name and click open. After you select it, it has been saved automatically. There are also other file types you can save Excel files like .xls for older Excel versions and .csv for comma separated values. We will cover those later. But you can see there are multiple types that we can choose from to save our files. It will depend upon the type of file we want to use later on. And that's it for our introduction to the Excel interface and basic data entry. We have covered the ribbon, the quick access toolbar, cells, rows, columns, and how to save and open the workbooks. In the next video, we will start working with formulas. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.